Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the new kit from Chic. It's called New Beginnings, and it is an awesome new kit. I'm so excited to receive it. Lynette, congratulations on just getting back into it, and I'm excited to open up this kit. Lynette went through quite a bit living in Florida, and she's back on her feet hopefully, and this year is going to be a new year for her. I just know it, and I just continue to pray for her and her family and her friends and everyone that live in Florida that experienced the hurricane and the effects of it. I'm just excited for this. So this is what it looks like. Here is the little letter that she always puts a graphic on one side and then writes a letter on the other side. Just really inspirational. So I'll read that in a little bit. And then there's a pack of ephemera, and I'll open that up. And then this is the journal. She wraps it up so nicely in coordinating tissue paper. And the journal is a traveler's notebook size. All of her kits are like this when she does a journal kit. And this is just gorgeous. I love it. There's this beautiful pink and gold feather on top. And then it has some silk ribbon. It says New Beginnings down here, and just it has stitching, some vintage wallpaper on the front with some beautiful fabrics that she stitched with crocheted lace, like a lace piece. Let's go ahead and open this up. Her journals always come with a variety of papers, vintage and tea stained, but for the most part they're plain and ready to be embellished, and that's what the embellishment kit is for, is to just dive in here and add your special touch to the journal. So there's a vintage book page there, ledger book page, looks like a dictionary page. This is a really pretty stationery piece. If you haven't gone over and seen her videos on this, she showed the kit, she showed ephemera packs, and then she's also started doing crafting in hers as well. So I will have a couple videos to follow up with this and just go through and do some pages with you, maybe make some embellishments and things like that. So go ahead and subscribe if you are not, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I release those videos. Also go over to Instagram and follow me there. I'm at Creative Crafticality. And I'm trying hard. That's one of my resolutions or new things for this year, is to try and post more over on Instagram. I'm not very consistent, but I like to do sneak peeks of what I'm working on over there, things that I find when I'm thrifting, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open this up, and we can see all the fun things that are in here. You can already see a beautiful piece of wallpaper on the back there. All right. She always makes a bookmark that has charms on the ends, or beads on the ends, and this just goes through the middle of the book, but I'll show you the beads there. Really pretty. She did a video on how that showed her making these and kind of her process of putting the kits together. So if you want to see that, I'll put the link for her channel down below, as well as her Etsy shop. So okay, so here is the beautiful bundle of yarns that she put with this. Perfect for using on tags, embellishments, and making tassels, what I usually like to do with these, but just gorgeous. I just love how she always coordinates the colors so beautifully. And then this is just a little bag of gold paper clips that she always includes. Always love having paper clips in my journals to attach all the fun ephemera. And then she included a little bag of light bulb safety pins and then some beads and charms in there. There's also a couple, or it looks like one feather charm, which is really pretty. Okay, here is a little bundle. Claim check, a memory decks card, and then I love these blue glassine bags that she included this time. They go perfectly with the whole color way of this, and all my little things are falling out here. So she's got a little feather punch and some heart punches that she used with the paper. Here are some little price tags, all these fun things. These stickers. Venture begins, follow your dreams, and then love. Just love these. Here is a feather sticker that's really pretty, and then a flower. These are gorgeous. And then some banner pieces made from the paper. Some more tags. A little tiny envelope. A little craft paper label there, and then some leaf die cuts. Those are really pretty. And then she included a gold feather, another one, some tickets. So a lot of fun things in that little baggie. And then in this bundle she has a vintage playing card. This is a flashcard for piano, learning the piano. That's pretty cool. A doily. And then in here are the bigger tags and envelopes. And they're really good too. There we go. She always includes, or usually includes, a library pocket with the library card. This is a mini disc envelope, so cute. And then a tag that she stamped with a really cute bird stamp and feather stamp. Here's an inventory tag, a plain tag, and then a pink guest check, and a bigger size tag that she made with the paper. Oh, this is a time card sheet, or time card. So those are all the fun things in that bag. And then the bigger items, she included some double-sided scrapbook paper. She always includes 2 pieces from like a collection that goes well with the cover of the book. So that's the cover, and yeah, it just goes perfectly with that. And then here are some white labels that are fun to embellish. And then here are several vintage book pages. It's a bird one. This is a dictionary page. This looks like a Japanese or Chinese book page. This is from a wedding book. That's pretty cool. And then this looks like a botanical or floral book page. And a book page from Shakespeare. And then finally, here are some paper pieces. Well, one paper piece that are these beautiful roses, and then this piece of wallpaper. So beautiful. I absolutely love her kits, and it is an honor to be on her design team. And I'm just super excited that she's able to get back into it and start putting together her kits again. And hopefully you're able to get your hands on one of these. I haven't checked her Etsy shop to see if she still has these available, but she has other items also available that you can check out in her shop. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.